function. So now I'll keep it on. Cause my bypass that I'm function. So now I'll keep it on my toes till I see a one-man show. Show me magic, show me magic, show me magic, show me magic. I wanna be that son, no, I want the paper that son show. TV doesn't say, but what the house presents to be. Show me magic, show me magic, show me magic, show me magic. Gwlad yr iad sy'n mwyn gartrefol iawn, sy'n bod yn hyd yn oed oerach na fama. Hwyl garwdd am 4 diwrnod.
Although there's been this glasnost effect, you know, and Welsh language scene. You know,
right, okay, yeah.
All right, our viewpoint is the language is safe, yeah? Well,
yeah.
It's always a battle there, but we're doing this sort of position of strength. Because we think the Welsh language is so fucking strong. Yeah. It can handle us going around the world singing English and Welsh, you know.
And the north of Iceland, yeah. Lle mae hard ar wy'n y ffyddiad.
So mae gyd wedi dystod i fyny, ti'n
Fydd y trefnwr yn i fyny'r parc cenedlaethol. Mwyn i'r atrwm. Minus y fath gwirion 30 neu fath. Fath ni ar y lan. Yn i fan o. Dros y lliwch. Trwy'r eira. Dwi'n sôn, dyn ni ganol o. Twllwch llwyr. A dwi'n lliwchio. Yn erbyn mynydd yn gwlad yr ia. Efo 3 can o gwrw a packet o fiscuits. Rhwntha ni.
Can you move this way a bit?
Well, I mean, priorities to make fantastic albums, you know.
Right.
We're in a band because we're obsessed with music.
Yeah. But is pop music, do you think pop music's important?
What?
Do you think pop music's important in the
Yeah,
world?
well, I'm obsessed with it, you know. But the gwadu, deny, I can't deny it. I love melody and I love sugary melodies and
Really, yeah.
that make you feel happy, you know. It can affect you like food, you know.
Yeah.
You know, if paracetamol doesn't work, you can try out the tune. Mamas and Papas song, Glad to Be and Happy. Yeah. It's like the sweetest song ever. It's going, I'm so glad to be and happy. You know, and they're going, yeah, this song.
Bydd o'n i gyd troi fewn i Green Fields after then for a million years. Yeah.
Mae'n jyst teimlo gytrefol, wrth ni wedi Cynarfon ar la. Cynarfon mawr, un o'r llefydd cnesa ar ran temperament. Eithon ni llynydd.
Singer. Guitar. Bass. No? Odne. Nawr dy Brian. Nawr dy Adnefo. Nawr dy Adnefo. Oce.
Geen veranderd.
Maar zo echt even. Ik weet al lastig is. Counting down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this song is called If You Don't Want Me to Destroy You, take a leaf that's all made up. Turn it round and I'm love.
Echt even. Ik weet al lastig is.
You to destroy you. I'll commit myself to be in and out of every dream. Gravity, you just threw me down so quietly. You just threw me down to earth. Let me go into the depths of your infinity. I can sense your presence in the vicinity.
Nos Merched, Iceland, cold.
Sy'n o?
Kia yma. Ac Alexander's. McDonald's.
Dwi'n mynd i McDonald's.
Mor oer yma. Sioc. Seriously bad. Seriously bad. Dwi'n gael ddechrau at ei gilydd a cyn i fynd i Germany, de?
O, ie.
Ne.
A dwi'n
Ond, ti'n fa?
Gen i'n ben iawn, chos trefeilio i Germany. Gysgu ar y bus, ie. A wedyn, cyrra Germany. And you'll be alright.
Na, os chyn mynd i Hamburg, a dwi'n mynd trwy Holland.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.